This one little word can save you some big problems. Olá pessoal, today's video is a quick-fire lesson that is going to help you out with one of the most common situations that learners find themselves in. Not being able to understand what has just been said to you.
Mas na sexta vou jantar com uma amiga para comemorar o aniversário dela. E tu?
Now, the most common responses to this do work really well, things that I have taught you like não percebi, não ouvi, or even podia falar mais devagar. Now, these work fine, but it's a lot of words to remember, and of course, it's going to give you away as a learner. So today I'm going to teach you another word to help you tackle this situation, and it is just one word. This one little word can save you some big problems, and you will sound really natural if you say it. So if you're excited to learn this today, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to get updates from me and a free European Portuguese lesson every single week. So what is this little word that you can use to say to somebody that you didn't quite catch what they just said and you want them to say it again? This little word is diga. Now, this comes from the verb dizer, meaning to say, and it's in the imperative tense, so it's a command. So what you're literally doing with this little word is saying, say it, or even kind of implied, say it again, if you're asking it with this questioning intonation. It's a little bit like how in English, if you didn't quite catch what somebody had said, you might say, sorry? The great thing about the word diga is that it is the formal version of the imperative tense, so it's nice and polite. If you needed to use this in a situation where you were making an appointment or talking to somebody official and you didn't catch what they said, then it's perfectly good to use the word diga. Of course, you might need to elaborate and tell them that you didn't understand if that's what's really going on. But if you just need them to repeat themselves again because you didn't quite catch what it was, maybe a simple diga will do. I like to call words like this one-word wonders because you can get so much meaning in just one little word. I've got tons of these in my free training, Speak Portuguese Like a Pro. The link to that is going to be in the description if you want to sign up and get tons more words and helpful advice like this. You also might hear this word used in shops. When somebody is ready to take your order, or even the bar or the restaurant, for example, they might say to you, diga por favor. So again, they're literally saying to you, say it. Say your order. Tell me what it is that you want. So it does come up in quite a few contexts, so I want you to listen out for it and see if you can hear it, and leave me a comment below if you have heard this before and what context it was. Now, you can also use this with your friends, but you would want to use the informal version of the imperative command. So again, using the verb dizer, if I wanted to give an informal command, so talking to a friend, I would need to use the third person singular of that verb. So for dizer, that is diz. The informal positive commands are the easiest ones to remember, so make sure you give that a go as well. I'll be back next week with more tips and tutorials to improve your confidence and conversation skills in European Portuguese, so I hope to see you there. Check out this video on why you should stop saying sim next if you're still doing that. This will give you some good tips. Até a próxima, pessoal. Tchau for now.